Okay, today I wanted to talk about keeping it simple on a raw vegan high fruit diet. I don't stress out about what I'm going to eat. I always have fruit in the house. I always have bananas. This time of year I always have citrus. Remember, watermelons are coming next. Yeah, I really look forward to the watermelons because, you know, those football-shaped watermelons about this big with the seeds, oh man, they're so good. So I'm looking forward to those, but I don't stress out about what I'm going to eat and what time I'm going to eat. Usually in the morning I like to have some lemonade, homemade lemonade, which I just use lemons, water, and some honey. And then I'll move on to orange juice. I love citrus. It's so good. It's an acid fruit, but it alkalizes the body. It leaves an alkaline ash in the body. So it's very good for you, very cleansing food. Does wonders for people, high in vitamin C. And vitamin C is one of the great things about being raw, because all fruits and vegetables raw have vitamin C, which is such an important thing to good health. And, you know, so today, what have I had? I had, so far, all I've had today, and it's 2:30 in the afternoon, I've had probably more than a gallon of fresh squeezed orange juice. So that's a lot of OJ. But I also eat the pulp. You know, I don't waste that. You want that pulp in there. That way it's a slower burning. You don't get that spike, you know, from just juice. So the pulp is important. So now I had a tennis lesson today. And I did some yard work, and now I'm ready to move on for some bananas and berries probably. I'm going to have some, you know, like a fruit bowl. There you have it, that's lunch. I've got 6 bananas, some chopped bananas in there. I've got strawberries, blueberries, and I've got some carob sauce. 4 ingredients, that's it. Great lunch. Energizing lunch. Then tonight, you know, it's going to be a salad because I really want to get in the leafy greens, the protein. Okay, I've took my workouts up, so I need, you know, protein. But remember, there's protein in everything, you know, and watermelons have protein, oranges have protein. And one thing you have to remember is that protein is way overdone, especially here in the United States. You know, where you're going to, I can't believe people are still talking about it. And they actually now have doctors that are, you know, carnivores. I can't believe it. I mean, I don't know what data they're reading. And it just, you know, I guess if you stay flexible and active, you may be able to get away with it, but, you know, to a certain level, maybe. I don't know. I don't think so. Eventually, you know, if you're on a carnivore diet, you're going to, something bad's going to happen. You're either going to have a heart attack, a widowmaker, or, you know, diabetes or something. So, you know, salads, how much protein do we need? 10% of your total caloric intake. Just 10%. So that's not a lot of protein. Newborn babies, they get 6% protein from mother's milk. And they do fine. They grow perfectly normal. Even if they were breastfed for a year or 2, they grow perfectly normal and fine. So we don't need a lot of protein. And when we look at the problems in this country with kidney dialysis and cancer and heart disease, too much protein is the cause of these type of diseases. So tonight it's going to be a salad. So see, it's a simple, and I don't get tired of eating the same thing, because remember the saying, nothing tastes as good as healthy feels. So, as long as I'm eating healthy food, I feel pretty good. For 72, no, I feel good most of the time. I have had skin issues, and those can be, problematic, but I think I'm working my way out of it, so I'm not totally out of the woods yet, but it seems like it's going in the right direction. So don't stress out. I know some people, they want all kinds of combo, bombo, 10, 20 different ingredients in their meals. You don't need all that. That stuff is just toxic residue. You don't want that stuff. It's making you retain water weight. So, learn to live simple. Remember, if you eat watermelon today, if you ate, let's say, half a watermelon, would you be able to eat the other half tomorrow? I would. I'm not bored. To me, it tastes great. And it's so hydrating, So don't worry about, I got to have something different. And I don't, occasionally I get into that mode like everybody else, I guess. But I don't stray into 10, 20 ingredients. For me, 5 ingredients is getting complicated, because I don't like to spend time in the kitchen. I want to spend time out here. And I want to spend time moving, doing things, talking to people, different things, studying, different things like that. But, that's the key. So please give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, post those below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So don't make it complicated. Keep it simple. 5 ingredients is plenty. All the best.